EBSCO Business Source Complete is the database to search when you need reliable business information. This database has SWOT reports, company reports, industry reports, country reports, Harvard Business Review, and many other well-known business-related scholarly journals, trade journals, and magazines. If you search the internet for these types of reports, you will see they cost a lot of money. But you don't need to worry about that. Access these kinds of reports for free using the St. Leo University Library. On the library homepage, choose Databases. From the list of databases, select E for EBSCO and then choose EBSCO Business Source Complete. Or choose Business in the subject search to see all our business-focused databases. Search for a specific company by entering the name and then selecting CO for the company. Then add SWOT to find SWOT analysis reports. Or select the Browse SWOT Reports option by selecting SWOT in this blue box and then searching by company name. After you select the report, don't forget to select PDF on the left side of the screen to open and view the report. Then you can select the download arrow to save it to your computer. The citation provided by EBSCO isn't quite right. The first thing in the citation should be the corporate author, which is the company who created the report. In this case, it is MarketLine. Then the exact date of the report because reports are published quarterly. Then the title of the report. In-text citations for this specific report should be MarketLine, 2024, December 31st. Use EBSCO to find company reports, country reports, industry reports, scholarly journals, trade journals, and magazines focused on business topics. Contact the library if you need help.